Ever scrolled through your phone, staring at a mountain of receipts, wondering if there's a better way to track your expenses? You're not alone. We've all been there. But what if there was an app, a system, dare I say, revolution in expense management? That's what Expensify promises, especially with their latest updates. But the real question is this new Expensify legit? Is it worth the hype, or just another app clogging up your phone? Let's dive in. We've all dealt with the pain of expense reports. The crumpled receipts, the endless spreadsheets, the frustration of trying to remember every single coffee or parking meter. It's a time suck, and frankly, it's a productivity killer. Expensify has been around for a while, but they've recently rolled out some significant changes, claiming to streamline the entire process. So, what's new? First off, the interface. They've revamped it, aiming for a cleaner, more intuitive experience. Think less clutter, more clarity. It's designed to be mobile first, which is crucial because, let's face it, most of us are managing expenses on the go. One of the biggest updates is their AI-powered receipt scanning. They're claiming near-perfect accuracy in extracting data from receipts. This means less manual entry, less room for error, and more time for, well, anything else. We put this to the test, throwing a barrage of receipts, crumpled, faded, even those with handwritten notes, at the app. The results? Impressive. It wasn't flawless, but it was significantly better than previous versions, and certainly better than manually inputting everything. But it's not just about scanning receipts. Expensify is now pushing for a more holistic approach to expense management. They've integrated features for travel booking, invoice creation, and even corporate card reconciliation. This means you can manage your entire expense lifecycle within one platform. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, pricing. Expensify operates on a tiered subscription model. Is it worth the cost? That depends on your needs. For freelancers and small businesses, the basic plan might be sufficient. But for larger organizations with complex expense policies, the higher tiers offer more advanced features and integrations. The real value proposition lies in the time savings. If Expensify can truly automate a significant portion of your expense management, the subscription cost might pay for itself in increased productivity. Think of it this way: how much is your time worth? If you're spending hours each month wrestling with expense reports, a tool like Expensify could be a game changer. Of course, no app is perfect. We did encounter a few minor glitches during testing, particularly with some of the more complex integrations. And while the AI-powered scanning is impressive, it still requires occasional manual verification. But here's the thing: Expensify is evolving. They're constantly updating their platform based on user feedback. And the direction they're heading in is clear: automation, efficiency, and a seamless user experience. So, is the new Expensify legit? In our assessment, yes. It's a powerful tool that can significantly streamline expense management. But it's not a magic bullet. It requires a bit of setup and familiarization. And it's not going to eliminate the need for human oversight entirely. However, if you're looking for a way to ditch the paper receipts and reclaim your time, Expensify is definitely worth considering. It's a solid investment for anyone who's serious about managing their expenses efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.